Hakani invested rupees 2,80,000 cash for business. Cash debit capital credit 2,80,000. Purchase shop building for cash rupees 1 lakh. Shop building debit cash credit 1 lakh. Purchase shop furniture for cash rupees 20,000. Shop furniture debit cash credit 40,000. Purchase merchandise for cash 15,000. Purchase debit cash credit 15,000. Paid transporting expense rupees 150. Transporting expense debit cash credit 150. Purchase merchandise on account from Jamali and Sons rupees 1 lakhs 17,800 and paid transport 160. So purchase debit 17,800, transport expense debit 160, account payable credit 17,800, cash credit 160. Okay. Next है sold merchandise. Sold merchandise for cash 14,350. Cash debit sale credit 14,350. Sold merchandise on account Patel and Co rupees 8,500. Account receivable debit sale credit 8,500. Purchase shop equipment for cash 8,000. Shop equipment debit cash credit 8,000. Paid for merchandise purchased 13,600. Purchase debit cash credit amount का गया 13,600. Receive on account of cash sale 4,500. Cash debit sale credit 4,500. उसके बाद है ये हो गया paid transporting 120. Transporting expense debit cash credit 120. Receive cash from Patel and Co rupees 5,000. Cash debit account receivable credit 5,000. Paid cash to Jamali and Sons rupees 15,000. Account payable debit cash credit 15,000. Paid salaries to employee for the month 4,500. Salaries expense debit cash credit 4,500. Majid started business with cash investment 80,000. Cash debit capital credit 80,000. टिक लगाओ सही है. Purchase merchandise on account from Ahmed. Purchase debit account payable credit 40,000. Sold merchandise for cash 8,000 and on credit to Bashir 15,000. Cash debit 8,000. Account receivable debit 15,000 and sale credit 23,000. उसके बाद है नेक्स्ट है paid cash to Ahmed. Account payable debit cash credit 10,000. Receive cash from Bashir rupees 7,000. Cash debit account receivable credit 7,000. Paid office rent rupees 12,000. Rent expense debit cash credit 12,000. Okay. एक मिस्टेक है कैश डेबिट अकाउंट रिसीवेबल क्रेडिट. कैश के सामने 7,000 लिखना था, आपने अकाउंट रिसीवेबल के सामने लिखा और नरेशन के सामने अमाउंट लिखा. तो हमेशा डेबिट के सामने डेबिट का अमाउंट, क्रेडिट के सामने क्रेडिट का अमाउंट. नेक्स्ट टाइम ये गलती नहीं होनी चाहिए. सही है.